Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the Officer Adda 24/7, the special session of your BRBL subject in the English medium language. So, this session is very much important from the examination point of view. So, we have already done module A, and right now we have to do the module B. Okay. So let's start the session of your module B. So before starting this session, I would like to say you that our new batch of this session is already started and the batch name is resolution batch. As you can easily see in the resolution batch, the four compulsory subjects are attached here. Okay, you will get the live classes of this four compulsory subject plus recorded session if you are not able to see the live classes. Okay, so the live classes are available, recorded sessions are available, then mock paper are available, doubt session, okay, ebooks. So I think this single paid batch is sufficient to crack your exam. Okay, and after that in bilingual also the Shapat batch is started. So if you want to take the batch in the bilingual language, you can take the batch in the bilingual language also. Okay, now let's start with the question and answer of your module B. Yeah, what does PMLA stand for? It's a Prevention of Money Laundering Act, Protection of Money Laundering Activities, Prevention of Money Laundering Activities, or Projection of Money Laundering Activity. Which of the following is the right one? Hanji class. What is the full form? Because in the December session, the one question has been come from the full form. So that's why this is important. So for this thing, the right answer is Prevention of Money Laundering Act, which is made in 2002. So A is the right answer. Okay, next. The obligation of banker, it's a banker, to honor his customer check is extinguished on receipt of order is known as what? Banker order, garnishing order, RBA order, or debtor order. Tell me, class. It's the banker. Hanji. What will be the right answer for this question? The obligation of a banker to honor his customer check is extinguished on receipt of the order is known as what? I think all orders are easy. What is RBI order, debtor order, bank order? But I think you don't know that what is the garnishee order. So I'm just giving the one example to understand the garnishee order. Suppose X have to give 10 lakh rupees to the Y person. Okay. But right now he is not able to pay the money. X person working in a company. Okay. So, and the source of income of X is this company. So the court will order what? This company. That suppose the salary is 10 lakh rupees per annum. So the court will order that you have to deduct 10% of the amount from his salary and you have to give it to the Y person. So the order which is given by court to the company, that is called garnishing order. So the court order to the company to deduct 10% salary, then the salary will be kept to the Y person. This is called what? Garnishee order. So basically, in that way, the Y will get the money. So this is very, very much important. Is that clear? Okay. So I think this is easy one. Now, the word person defined in the Money Laundering Act includes what? The word person that is defined in the Money Laundering Act includes what? The first is Hindu undivided family, the family which is in joint. Every artificial judicial person, an association of person in the body of individual, whether incorporated or not, and all of the above. So what is the right answer? Yes, class. Person. The definition term is very important from the examination point of view. Definition term always come. Definition term always come in your exam. Hanji class, what is the right answer? So class, according to this definition, the person include Hindu undivided family also, this person, association. So that's why all of the above will be the right answer. All of the above will be the right answer. Next. Which of the following is not prescribed in the provision of Prevention of Money Laundering Act? Okay, which is not prescribed. It is a seizure of property, attachment of property, confiscation of property, or life imprisonment. What is the right answer? What punishment you could say that is not defined in the act? Seizure of property, attachment of property, confiscation of property, or life imprisonment? What is the right answer? See, in the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, we just basically take the money, okay? That is a illegally. So in that case, life imprisonment is not included in this one. So for the fourth one, D will be the right answer here. Okay, D will be the right answer. Whoever commit the offense of money laundering which relates to any offense specified under paragraph 2nd of part A of the schedule shall be imprisonment, that is a rigorous imprisonment for a term that shall not be 3 years, which makes 10 to. Okay, that is good question. That is about the punishment. Whether it is 3 year, 5 year, 7 year, or 10 year. What is the right answer here? Fifth one. Whoever commit the offence of money laundering which relates to the any offence specified under paragraph 2nd of part A of the schedule shall be the punishable with the rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 3 years, but which may extend up to, the right answer will be 10 years. This is the right answer. Okay, now under section 5 of prevention of money laundering, property can be provisionally attached for a period not exceeding dash from the date of order. It is 60 days, 90 days, 120 days, or 180 days. What is the right answer? As per section 5 of this act, the property can be provisionally attached for a period not exceeding, that is 180 days from the date of order. So 6D is the right answer. Okay. Each question is class very much important. Now, the appellant tribunal pass an order against Mr. G. Mr. G is the aggrieved by the same. He wants to file appeal against the order passed. Now tell me to whom he can appeal against the order of appellant tribunal. Adjudicating authority, High Court, Supreme Court, or Parliament. What is the right answer? Yes, class. The appellate tribunal passed an order against Mr. G, and Mr. G is aggrieved by the same. So you have to tell me he can appeal against the order passed by appellate tribunal against adjudicating authority, High Court, Supreme Court, or Parliament. The right answer will be, that is, High Court. B is the right answer. Okay, next. EF Limited, a company found guilty under the provision of Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Okay, this is a company. Mr. Wade was one of the director who was responsible for the business of company when the crime was committed. Okay, so here are two-person name, EF Limited and Mr. Wade. Okay, after that, later he resigned. Okay, shall he be deemed to be guilty of the contravention and be liable to the proceed against and punish accordingly? Advice say yes or no. In the first sentence, it is written that the company found guilty under this act. Mr. Ved is one of the director who was responsible for the business of company when the crime is committed, and later he resigned also. This is a factual based question. So shall he deem to be the guilty of contravention and liable to be proceed against and punished accordingly? Say yes or no. As we know that the company have a separate legal entity, okay, apart from its member. It means for the death of the company the members are not liable, and for the death of the member, the company is not liable. So, what is the right answer? The right answer will be yes, he will be liable. Okay, for the eighth one, A is the right answer for this question. Done? Next. Okay, I think this is not the same question. Okay, yeah, this is a different question. This is a company found guilty under the provision of prevention of money laundering that we have read. Mr. Ved was one of the director who was responsible for business of the company when the crime is committed. Later he resigned. During the proceeding, the said act, he proved that, okay, in the proceeding class, he proved that the contravention took place without his knowledge and he exercised all due diligence to prevent such contravention. Shall be deemed to be the guilty of contravention and liable of the proceed against the punish accordingly. Advice. Yes or no? A very good question. This is not the same question. This is not the same question. In the previous act, this sentence was not there. Okay. But in this case, this paragraph is there. So for the right one class, the right answer will be B is the right answer. Okay. Now, Mr. X convicted as per provision of Prevention of Money Laundering but under Contract Act he is not guilty. Under the circumstance, what will happen if there is a conflict between PMLA and other law? Important one. This is PMLA and this is other law. Who will supersede? Decision is taken as per severity of the crime committed. The provision of prevention of money laundering have overriding effect. Notwithstanding anything inconsistent contained in any other law for the time being in force or not applicable. What is the right answer for this question? For the 10th one, the right answer is the provision of prevention of money laundering has an overriding effect. Okay, so B is the right answer. So class, that's all for today's class. Okay, so we have done the 10 questions, so please do all the questions sincerely. Okay, and this is a batch which is already started from the 10th of January. You have to apply the coupon code Y391 for the maximum discount, and this is your previous batch, that is Nishchay and Scholar batch. This is your English medium Scholar batch. Okay, this is the separate video course of our elective paper. So if you want one paid class plus elective, same coupon code Y391 you have to apply for the maximum discount. And this is your CIB ka Mahapack. So in the CIB ka Mahapack, first of all, you will get the 1 year of validity plus all the batches that we will start. The batches will be available. The recorded session of batches will be available. We will just mini marathon and marathon is available of the previous session. Then ebooks are available. So many things are available. So if you want to crack this exam, this is the only way in which you can easily this one. Okay, so for this thing, what you have to do, first of all, open the Adda 24/7 site. Okay, you have to open Adda 24/7 site, click on all courses, JB, CAB, click on Mahapack. If you click on this Mahapack now, click on buy now and the coupon code Y391. If you click on this, you can see 79% is there. So a discount is going on. If you just download the Adda app in the mobile now, through mobile if you purchase, you will get the 80% discount. So if you want 80% discount, you have to purchase the batch through the Adda app. Okay, so in this Mahapack, your video courses of elective paper is also there. So everything is there. And see, 10-hour plus mini marathon and mega marathon practice paper, second and fourth Saturday, the doubt session will be available. Okay, so I think this is all for today's class. Have a nice day.